Hey guys, I am at the Wynn Encore Hotel in Las Vegas. So this is my second time doing a room tour at this hotel. And I believe that they were both king rooms. This is a king room, a panoramic king. We're on the 53rd floor. I think that when they say panoramic, that just means you're on a higher floor. But anyway, we are back here again. We've been at the Wynn more times than we've ever been anywhere else at any other hotel, just because we really love it. It's always super nice. So this is our room. It's really large. I'm gonna give you the whole tour and just point out some things that we like about the hotel. So we'll start with the bathroom first. There is a shower and a really large tub. The toilet does not have a separate door, but they have amenities in the shower. There's shampoo, conditioner, body wash. They smell really good. So I don't know if you normally bring shampoo with you on vacation, but you might not need to. They work well. And here are the amenities that come in your room, just so that you know what you need to pack or not pack. And there's always plenty of soap. And if you leave a message for the housekeeping staff, they will leave you extra of anything that you need. So the tub is really nice. It's not a jetted tub, it's just a regular tub, but it's nice for soaking after you've been out exploring all day. There is a robe. Strangely, there's only one, but that's okay because I don't typically like to use a robe anyway. We haven't unpacked yet, we just got here. Here is the closet. We have plenty of hangers. There's a safe, 3 drawers, a clothing luggage stand, iron and ironing board, and there's a TV, which when you come in the room it already knows who you are and it says welcome. It's really user friendly. There's not even sure what this is. I think you can control the room with this, so turning off and on the lights, and it's hooked up to an Alexa system, so I'll show you that as well. But there's a mini bar. The things are pretty expensive, so make sure you know what you're paying before you purchase those. There's a cold mini bar. There is not a coffee maker in this room, so you'll have to get your coffee downstairs. So the bed is really nice and cozy, nice and big. There are not 2 beds in here. That's a mirror on the other side, just in case you were confused. The living room area is really comfy as well. The sofa is really nice and cozy, and the view is amazing. I'm going to show you how it works. Alexa, open the shears. And so you can tell her to change the temperature or turn on or off some or all of the lights. This is our view. I think this is considered a mountain view since we're not looking, this is the Strip. You see Resorts World is right across from us, and then the Fontainebleau over there. And then, so downtown is up there. You can see Circa in the distance. And over here you can see the mountains, and there's the Wynn Golf Course. It's really beautiful. There's a pretty little church down below. And if you did not drive here and you need to get water or snacks or whatever, this little mini marketplace down here has like a grocery store thing in it, so you can get your stuff over there, and it's not too much of a walk. And then there's all the stuff over at Resorts World as well. We really like to pretty much stay at the Wynn and Encore because we really like the gambling floor. It's good service. The waitresses are super nice. The drinks are good, and it feels clean and bright. So I hope you liked this room tour and that it was helpful for you to see what the room looks like before you make your decision to stay here. But I really think this is the nicest place we've stayed in Vegas, and we've stayed at a whole bunch of places. So thanks for watching. I hope you can like and subscribe to my channel. I'm hoping to do more Las Vegas tours and videos while I'm here. So thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.